Hi guys, so I'm back with another Youtooz vinyl figure, and this time we have Big Jiggly Panda, and he is also one of my favorite YouTubers. He was also part of the Demonetized tour. I mean, just look at this packaging. Alright, let's see the Youtooz. And here he is in all his glory, riding a panda. He's so cute. And here we have the box. I mean, definitely 10 out of 10. Recommend. And go watch his YouTube videos. He is hilarious. And definitely, Jiggly, if you can hear this, definitely make more of these, because these are awesome.